10-minute heat soak. See what it does. Oh, there you go. See, there's the fuel pressure. Try it again. Nothing. Key's on. Key's staying on. Nothing. Check this out. That's just the center two. Oh, look at that, didn't do it. So let's do the others. Check that out. Idle's rough like a motherfucker.